Hello, welcome to Jet Mathematics. I remain your host, Milt in John. In this video, we'll be looking at synthetic division for polynomials. In our previous video, we did an example. Today, we'll be looking at a different example, and we'll just go straight. This is the dividend, and this is the divisor. So we'll say, first of all, what you need to do is to write out the coefficient of each term in the dividend. So the first term here is 4. The coefficient here is 4. The coefficient here is 5. The coefficient here again is 5. And the coefficient here is 8. And then the next thing I said, equate the divisor to 0. 4s plus 1 equals to 0. Okay. And then solve for x. 4s equals to minus 1. And then s is equals to minus 1 over 4. And we said you take this minus 1 over 4 and put it here. Minus 1 over 4. Minus 1 over 4. And then the next thing you do, you bring down this 4. You have it here. Alright? And then you do minus 1 over 4. Minus 1 over 4 times 4. That gives us minus 1. You put it here. Then you add up this 5 plus minus 1. That gives us 4. Okay? Then you multiply again. Minus 1 over 4 times 4. That gives us again minus 1. Then 5 plus minus 1. That gives us again 4. You multiply again. Minus 1 over 4 times 4. That gives us minus 1. Okay? Then 8 plus minus 1. That gives us 7. So this is the end. And here becomes the remainder. I've told you before. This is remainder. So the remainder when this is divided by this is 7. This implies that 4s plus 1 is not a factor of the dividend. Okay? So the remainder is 7. But what would be our quotient? Quotient is equal to, now here is 4. Then I told you in our previous video that since degree here is 3 and the degree here is 1, then our new degree will be 2, is 1 less than the degree of the dividend. 1 less than the degree of the dividend. Or you say 3 minus 1 here will give you 2. The degree of this is 3, the degree of this is 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Or you just say it's 1 less than the degree of the dividend, which is this. Then here we have plus 4x plus 4. Remember, this is the remainder, so you don't have to include that to the quotient. Alright? But now this is not the final answer, because here is divided by 4. We'll divide through this by 4. It's quite different from what we did in our previous video. Our previous video, we were having a whole number here, which was 3. The whole number was just a whole number here. So here we're having a fraction, this divided by 4. So we'll divide through this by 4, so that we have the result 4s squared divided by 4. That gives us s squared. Okay, let me show that we are dividing by 4, so that this becomes 4s squared divided by 4. We have s squared plus x plus 1. So these are quotient. So this is the result when this is divided by this. We have this remainder 7. Alright? So that will be all for this video. Please don't forget to like, to share, and to comment on this video. Bye.